Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. Ayan, so let's see what are the energies coming. This is a general reading. Maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And paalala lang na hindi po ako unang magme-message sa inyo or magpo-follow para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts. Okay? Scammers po yan. So, let's begin. Ay, ito pala. Let's begin, Scorpio. What's the energy ngayong February? Uy, may transition dito. Life is going to be better ngayong February sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo magkakaroon ng major glow up. Yung iba magpapakulay kayo ng hair o kaya lilipat ng bahay. Aalis na kayo sa isang magulong sitwasyon. To the sea. Yung iba sa inyo may travel opportunities. And itong travel na to, major siya kasi kaya ka magta-travel dahil it's either meron kang trabaho na pupuntahan doon sa lugar na pupuntahan mo or paglipat ng bahay, no, or trabaho. You have energy ng yang. This is new beginning. This is action. This is an energy of inspiration. So, merong inspired actions for you. Maaring meron kang project or finally ngayon you are tapping into your talents, your skills. Ayan. Let's see what is the overall energy. Ooh, the 8 of Swords. Meron ditong feeling anxious, no? Nagkakaroon ng anxiety. Maaring may kinalaman to sa pagbabago na pinagdadaanan ninyo. Iniisip nyo kung kaya nyo ba to or is this really for you? Sometimes you just overthink things na hindi naman talaga problema, no? So, iwasan nyo na lang. Iwasan yung mag-overthink. Kalmahan nyo yung isip nyo. Dahil everything is going to be alright. Nasa transition period ka lang. Part talaga yun ng pagbabago. Now, your challenge is the Ace of Cups. Oh, diba? Challenge sa'yo yung new beginnings. You feel like it's overwhelming. Pero, at least, no, something is new sa life mo. It's not that boring. Yung iba sa inyo naman, meron ditong gustong humingi ng tawad eh. Humingi ng tawad sa isang tao na alam nyo na matagal nyong tiniis or hindi nyo sinubukang ayusin yung problema, parang pinabayaan na lang. Kaya ngayon, maglalakas na kayo ng loob to finally settle. Ayusin, pag-usapan kung ano yung naging problema in the past. Now, your opportunity is the Ace of Pentacles. Ang daming new beginnings talaga. So, this is prosperity. Pagdating sa pera, maaaring may pagsisimula, bagong negosyo, bagong trabaho, bagong source of income. Money is going to be very exciting para sa mga Scorpios ngayong February. Lalo na kung meron kang bagong business or nasa training period ka, nagsisimula ka sa trabaho or meron kang ginagawang research para makapag-open ka ng bagong business or source of income. Diba? Yung blessing sa'yo is the transformation itself. You are the transformation kasi energy nyo to, Scorpio, the Death card. Diba? Something is ending. That's why something is beginning. So, kung ano yung old, something old is ending and then something new is going to happen, going to come true. Diba? Exciting. Ano yung magiging focus nyo ngayong February? What's the focus? Ang focus nyo is letting go of the things that are no longer serving you kasi you finally realize na it's time to let go of the old. Para meron kang parang baga may nililet go ka para sa mga bagong ganap for 2026. And ngayong February, ito pa lang yung ngayon mo pa lang nakikita yung change na yan. Oo, kasi maaring January sa'yo is, ito yung culmination na parang may mga tira-tira pa nung nakaraang taon na inaayos mo. And February for you is like, ito yung simula, parang ganon. Oy, wow. Pagdating sa career ninyo, things are going to do so well. Lalo na kung kayo ay nagta-travel for your career, no? Mga flight attendants or kayo ay seafarer, ganyan, or nag-abroad kayo. Oo. Kasi meron Jupiter in Sagittarius in the 10th house. Wow. This is my placement. So, 10th house is your career, your yung iyong pinakamataas kasi to na na pwede mong ma-achieve sa life. So, I think you have more opportunities ngayong February. Mas nagkakaroon ng expansion. 'Di ba? Tingnan pa natin. And I think itong new beginnings na to, ayan na yung expansion. Yung iba sa inyo may i-close. Sabihin ko sana closure. Merong closure. So, closure, ending ng isang relationship or connection na sa tingin mo no longer serving you, na ayaw mo nang dalhin sa iyong bagong simula. This can also mean like a new career path na very toxic sa'yo, tapos gusto mo na ng bago. Oh, 'di ba? You're going on an adventure. And itong adventure na to will lead you to new exciting beginning. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda. And part of that adventure, no, yung lumabas nun kanina na Jupiter in Sagittarius, adventure yun eh. Meron ka adventure sa career, sa trabaho mo. Yung iba sa inyo, mas marirecognize. Magkakaroon kayong recognition sa trabaho, may mga awards, rewards, meron kayong certain achievements sa career nyo. Playfulness, syempre, hindi nyo rin naman aalisin ang pagiging, masiyahin. Masiyahin ba mga Scorpio? Oo, yung kumbaga, you will also have fun. You will also enjoy life to the fullest. Maaring may opportunities for you to be with the people you love, and pwedeng yung travel na to is kasama mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay, 'di ba? So that's having fun. That is exciting experience. You have Jupiter Gemini, the 3rd house. This is about expansion of friends. Maaring mas marami kang friends connections that will help you, no? Tutulong to kasi sa'yo na mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. Totoo naman talaga na your network is your net worth. Kasi pag mas marami kang friends, connections, kumbaga yung mga opportunities, mas marami rin. Lalo na yung mga, kaya nga pag refer mo naman ako sa friend mo, refer. Kasi yung mga referrals, malaking tulong yan kapag marami kang kaibigan or connections. Or doesn't have to be super close friends, but at least you have the connections. You also have Mercury in Taurus in the 2nd house. So, some of you magaling kayong kumanta or maganda yung boses nyo, and you can also use your voice to earn money. Okay? So, for example, I use my voice to earn money kasi nagsasalita ako dito, 'di ba? May mga readings ako, private readings, and then also monetization ng content, 'di ba? So, pwede ring pagkanta. So, you're going to monetize your communication skills and also your voice. Okay? Ang galing. And then, what else? Kaya nga maganda rin na marami kayong network kasi yan yung tutulong sa inyo para mas speed up yung inyong fame. Kasi iba sa inyo, you are meant to be famous eh. Resist the alluring spell of those who would deceive in business or love. Nako, maging maingat daw, Scorpio. Kasi, meron dyan na mag-o-offer sa'yo. Like, may mga offering, can be romantic offers, relationship, business, or investments. Na parang mabulaklak magsalita. So, be careful sa mga ganon. Kasi, most of the time, kung sino yung parang too good to be true, yun talaga yung too good to be true. Okay? So, resist mo daw yan, yung mga alluring spell at sinasabi na yayaman ka, magiging milyonaryo ka in 3 months. O, 'di ba? I mean, it is possible na mangyari yon. Pero halimbawa just, for that business alone, kailangan mag-research ka. Oo. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.